Have you ever raced down a slide, swung high into the sky, or spun in circles on a merry-go-round? Playgrounds aren't just fun, they're full of science. Many of the things we play on are actually machines. They help us move in different ways, using force, motion, and simple mechanical parts. Machines don't always need engines or batteries. Some are made from levers, wheels, or ramps, and they're called mechanisms. These parts work together to change how something moves. A seesaw uses a lever to go up and down. A slide is an inclined plane, which lets you move from a high spot to a low one. A merry-go-round uses rotary motion. It spins in a circle using a wheel and axle. Let's take a closer look. Swings move back and forth because of a pivot point at the top, kind of like a pendulum. Monkey bars let you use your own force to move across. And climbing walls use friction and angles to help you pull yourself up. Every part of a playground is designed to help people move their bodies in different ways. Some fast, some slow, some spinning, some lifting. Designing a playground takes creativity and engineering. You have to think about how people will move, what materials are safe, and what types of machines will make it fun and functional. Whether it's a small swing set or a giant climbing tower, each part has a job to do, and science helps make it work. Now it's your turn to build your own playground on paper. Here's your creative challenge. You're going to draw a diagram of your dream playground that includes at least 3 simple machines or motion mechanisms. Then, you'll write a paragraph explaining how those machines work and what kind of movement they create. In your diagram, draw at least 3 different playground parts, like a slide, a seesaw, or a swing. Label the simple machine or type of motion used, like a lever, or rotary or back and forth motion. Show how each part helps people move. In your paragraph, describe what each part is and what kind of movement it uses. Use science words to explain how it works. Tell how the machines help make the playground fun and usable. Be imaginative and accurate. Use what you've learned about machines and motion. You don't need to build a real playground. You just need to think like a designer and an engineer.